ATV is celebrating a milestone this week. One of the most syndicated and fashion-forward programs on the island has marked 11 years of being on air. Tessa Peters has been the executive producer and the face of Trend Alert for 11 years and counting. She says it's always a challenge to remain relevant to captivate viewers for longer than a decade. More importantly, as a producer and host, Tessa has learned many things, one of them being, in order to success, you should never become complacent.
That you need to work your butt off, basically. That's the most important thing. Not always be too comfortable. It's good to be comfortable in front of the screen, but you still need to always be on your toes. Know when to, shift gears. Know when to change the look, change a little bit of the style. Do research. The things we take for granted when you have success. And in 10 years, it's easy to get very comfortable in your shoes because the people like the formula, but you need to know when to start shifting and changing. That's the one thing we've done, though, throughout the years. We always make sure that after a few years, we change some stuff around, but always trying to hold on to what's the core of the success of the business.
Trend Alert has gone through several looks over the past 11 years. The highs and the lows all came down to staff members, she says. It is tough to go through a turnover of a team member, but also a great feeling when the people you work with becomes family. Trend Alert has been able to maintain its time slot and presence on the air because clients see results.
We know it works because we have advertisers that have been with us on board for 11 years. And we don't do it because they think we're so nice or because it's so fun working with us. They do it because it works. And they can measure it usually the same weekend. So the program airs on Thursday, say Friday, Saturday. It's on. Whatever they've seen in the show, they want to come by.
Ms. Peters started the show with the merchants and the busy shoppers in mind.
Usually people don't have the budget to make a commercial for everything they want to sell. And this program started with that concept in mind, thinking about the fact that if you have a new stock in store, you're not going to make a new commercial for every stock you have. The commercial is great for branding, it's for letting people know what you do. But if you want to sell the week-to-week or month-to-month stock you have, you need to have an infomercial. And that's how it started. And I thought about it the other way around as well. When you're younger, you have more time. You want to walk into the main street, look for stuff, and then you'll buy stuff. But then as you grow up and you're busy like I am, who has time to go walking around and window shopping or actually just walking store to store to find something you're looking for or something you think you might want to give as a gift? So that's when the concept got started, just to make the shopper's life easier and make the advertiser's life easier by showing exactly what they have and what you need in 1/2 hour.
A big pabieng goes out to Tessa and her team in marking the 11th anniversary of Trend Alert.